Hey guys, it's Pat here, Pat's Home Projects and More. And I just wanted to show you these gutters here and explain to you why it's a good idea to put some leaf guards in there. You know, we've got a whole pack load of leaves in here, and we're about to get some snow. So leaving these leaves in here, holding the water, and then freezing with snow on top of it is just a recipe for disaster. So what we want to do is clean these out and put some leaf guards in. Now, you can go ahead and have a company come out and do it, and that can get quite expensive. Not to say that they're not quality or good to do, but you know, if you want to spend thousands of dollars, then you know, go ahead and do that. But I'm going to show you a little thing that I got from Home Depot that I've had on my other sections of my house and my garage, and they've worked out fine. They've been out there for better than 10 years. And it's at a fraction of the cost. So let me get the rest of these leaves out of here, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so these I got at Home Depot, and they're 3 feet long, and they were $3.96 a piece. So it's just a little bit over $1 a linear foot for these. Compared to commercial ones, can range you anywhere from $15 to $45 a linear foot. So it's a lot less expensive. I could replace these things several times for the cost of going with a commercial brand one. And like I said, I've had these up here for better than 10 years. This is the only section of roof that I never put it on because I have another project that's going to be involving removing this gutter. So I really wasn't going to put it on there, but I thought, what the heck, it's a good idea. My parents just had their roof redone, and they had gotten a price for the leaf guards and that, and I was just like blown away at the cost. So I thought, you know, this is an inexpensive way to do it, and it works. So all you have to do with these is they have some ridges right here that'll tuck up underneath your shingles, and then this part here will just lock into the front lip of your gutter. And it's that simple. Get on to putting the next piece in. And what's nice too is if you need to cut them, I just use a pair of side snips and just cut real easy. Okay, guys, so we've got 3, 6, 9, 10 feet of gutter protection put in less than 10 minutes at a cost of less than $15. Can't beat it. Now, for some people, getting up on a ladder is out of the question. So, I'd recommend there checking with a relative, friend, even if you have to hire a handyman to come in and do it for you. The cost of that, even if they charge you a couple $100 to install it, it's still a savings over going with the commercial installation. So hopefully that helps. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.